Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on the state Jharkhand. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, Jharkhand is a state located in the eastern part of India. Second line, it is also known as the land of forests. Third line is more than 1/4 of Jharkhand's land area is TID. Fourth line is the tribes of this state are living here from thousands of years. Line number 5. Because this state is mainly dominated by tribes, nature is considered as a vital and important part of their culture and lives. Line number 6. Ranchi is the state's prime capital. Line number 7. Hindi is the prime language of the state. Line number 8. The state economy is dependent on mining of natural resources. Line number 9 is it is India's second largest mineral wealth producer. Last line, it is amongst the leading states of India in terms of economic growth.